rolling whenever you're ready.
Independently, all over the world, and literally from prehistoric times, people discovered that when they gazed into an optical clear depth, a reflective surface such as a pond, or later on a polished metal bowl filled with olive oil, or into a mirror, that they would see, of course, their reflection, but if they kept on gazing, they would see other things, specifically spirits. Spirits sometimes of their dead loved ones, and that they could interact with these spirits. Naturally, this very soon developed into a major institution of the ancient world, the so-called oracles of the dead. In ancient Greece, for example, the oracle of the dead described by Homer in the Odyssey was a place where people would take long pilgrimages and they would gaze into the clear optical depth provided by an enormous bronze cauldron polished on the inside and filled with olive oil and illuminated indirectly by torchlight. These same kinds of institutions occurred, for example, in Japan, where there the oracles of the dead were built over clear ponds of water with high arched bridges, and people would sort of hang around at the shores of these ponds, and they would reflect and talk about their deceased relatives. Then they would walk out across this arrangement and walk across these high arched bridges, gaze down into the water, and there, coming up from the water, they would see the spirits of their departed relatives.